How to determine the direction of the resultant force because of the multiple charges acting on a single charge? Three-point charges lie at the vertices of an equilateral triangle as shown in this figure. All three charges have the same magnitude, but have charge number 1 is positive and charge number 2 and charge number 3 are negative charges as shown in this figure. The net electric force that charges 2 and 3 exerts on charge 1 is in which direction? That is question. How to find the direction of the resultant force because of two negative charges in this scenario? So to find the direction of the resultant force, first let's find the direction, determine the direction of the force in which direction forces are acting. Okay, to show the direction, let me show you the direction of the forces acting on positive charge. You can see clearly in this first figure, uh, two forces acting on positive charge. The direction is given here because these are the negative, two negative pairs of positive and negative charges, right? So always this positive charge will feel like a attractive force towards the negatives. That's why the direction of the force is towards negative charges respectively. Okay, once we have this information, now we can use the vector addition approach to add these two vectors and get resultant. How do we add the vectors? Simple method is the triangle method. We can translate one of the vector to put head on the tail, and we did it here. In the second picture, we can see head of the second vector is kept on the tail of the another vector, and try to complete a triangle. The closing side of the triangle, green side right here, this represents the resultant. It clearly showed that the direction of the resultant vector, resultant force, which is the electric force, is positive x-axis. That is, answer of this question is the force, resultant force is acting in positive x direction. So these two charges, two negative charges are trying to pull this positive charge towards positive x-axis.